Tobayo with the event of the Sunday Sunset. So there are a lot of crowd is here. The Sunday Sunset is conducting by Blue Sky Entertainment and the Underground Velvet Company. So both are the one of most famous event companies in Sri Lanka. And there are a lot of crowd is here being happening in here. Like we started in around 11 and it goes until to midnight. I'm going to talk with some of few fans of us. So then we'll go and talk with them. Now I'm with one of the invitees. Tell me, what is your name?
Ruvi.
Okay, Ruvi, what do you think about the Sunday Sunset event?
Actually, after lockdown, we have been here as first time to a party. I have to say this is a fabulous atmosphere. At the same time, I can see a lot of classic crowd here. Normally, we don't go to normal events. Especially, Mahesh is a very professional DJ, and because of that's the most special thing that we are here. At the same time, I have to say the crowd is very classy, and I love this experience. Thank you so much.
Another one who is wanted to specially commented about this event. So just tell me, what is your name?
My name is Isuru De Silva.
Okay, Isuru, what do you think about this event?
Actually, this break was needed after the situation right here. This break was needed, and you guys are doing a great job. And this is one of the amazing night that we are having right now. And thank you so much for everything. This is fabulous.
Thank you and hope you enjoy. Now I'm going to talk with someone else also. I'm finding out to whom I'm going. Okay, there's another one. We'll go and see. So I'm with one of best artists in Sri Lanka who is signed to the Soundgarden. Only he is signed in Sri Lanka under the Soundgarden. So just a quick update. We call him like Noisy Project and one of music producer. So Noisy, what do you think about this event?
Actually, event is really good, and I see some energetic crowds, and also there are some people who are having good taste of music. So thank you, organizing committee, for inviting me.
Okay, now Kaushi is with me right now. Now I'm going to ask about the location. So Kaushi, what do you think about the location?
So it's so nice in front of the beach. I like it, and I came to Tobayo previously, but this is the first time that I had this kind of a show. I really like it.
Okay. So what do you think about the DJs which we selected for this event?
Wow, I think I'm so glad to hear that. So, it's so nice, so talented, and thank you for all of them to give us experience.
Thank you very much, Kausi. So she's going to be a blast tonight. I'm going to see the way she is dancing. Okay, thank you very much, Kausi.
Thank you.
Yeah.